Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me hair, eyebrow, and eyelash tutorial part 2. I've already done one, but in this video it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be using some of the items from my Ipsy 28 glam bag, and my eyebrows, I don't know if you all can notice, are a lot thicker than what they were before in my previous video. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so quick pause. I don't really know how I feel about this Rodial Glam Brow. Like, the pencil is actually really thin. It's kind of hard to use. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. So as you all can see, my eyebrows and eyelashes are done. All I have left to do now is let down my hair. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. And the reason I like this look so much is because I don't need a full face of makeup. I can just do my eyebrows and eyelashes and drop my hair and still be cute. So yeah, I'll make sure I have all the ingredients for this tutorial down in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And you all have a good rest of your day.